It is pretty common for everyone to think out of the box when it comes to space-saving furniture. Standard furniture sets may not fit well in all homes and take up massive space. By utilizing your furniture, you can have a greater amount of floor space that can make sure that you can remain comfortable even in a studio or loft-sized apartment. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 10 space-saving furniture that you can have to make your living space more innovative. Number 10. Curvelax Smart Nightstand. Introducing the Curvelax, a smart and multifunctional nightstand that will take your home and lifestyle to a whole new level by saving so much space. This nightstand comes with 2 fast-charging USB ports and a wireless charging area so that you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, which is all you need to get rid of those tangled cables taking all of her space. Curvelax has high-powered LED lights on the top that are perfect for reading. It also has lights on the bottom of which remains on standby at night and will light up automatically at the exact moment you put your foot down from your bed. This feature will allow you to check on your kids without blinding your sleepy eyes at night. With curved locks, you can set a sunrise to wake up every morning at the exact moment you need it. You can set your sleeping parameters on the official app, and Curvelax will automatically adjust the alarm to wake you up according to your sleeping cycles. It's much simpler to assemble Curvelax. Just put the legs together and place the top over the magnets, and it will automatically hold at one place. Number 9. Ucube Magnetic Modular Furniture. Introducing the Ucube Magnetic Modular Furniture, a multi-purpose furniture which allows you to change your home in a minute without needing any tools. The Ucube offers cabinets, bookshelves, and many more to cover your home furniture needs, and comes in different sizes and material according to your need. You can fully customize any furniture on the Ucube website, from single furniture to full set. You can get anything built according to your choice. These furnitures come with magnets in different sizes, which makes it easier to connect with each other, or move them, or get through Cube Magnetic experience. If you are looking for an innovative and space-saving furniture for your home, then the Ucube Magnetic Modular Furniture is the right choice for you. Number 8. Talia Sofa Bed. Having a multifunctional sofa in your home can save some space. Meet Talia Double Sofa Bed that folds out easily from cozy sofa to an overnight bed. Talia Double Sofa Bed comes in a durable gray fabric weave that is very comfortable to sit and sleep on. The weave is attractive and shows little to no dirt, so it is easy to maintain and have it looking good for years. You can also remove the fabric and hand wash if it gets dirty. The Talia Sofa Bed is all about space saving, and for that it comes with an ultra-compact design with storage space where you can store your pillow and biddies. If you are thinking of buying a sofa that gives you comfort and safe space, then you should definitely go for the Talia Sofa Bed. With good reviews and ratings, you can get this amazing space-saving furniture at around $1,500. Number 7. Sabro Smart Side Table. Meet Sabro, a smart side table that will simplify your life by saving your space and doing more. Sabro comes with quiet thermoelectric cooler dryer that you can use as a fridge to keep your drinks chilled and always at hand. The silent operation of the cooler dryer makes it perfect for your bedroom, and with it you won't have to get out of your cozy bed in the middle of the night for a refreshing drink. It is built-in wireless charging port where you can wirelessly charge 2 phones. It also have 2 USB port and 2 USB-C ports along with 2 outlets on the back. This smart side table comes with smart cable management system. There are 3 magnetic cord wraps on the back of the unit so that your cable clutter stays under wraps. There's also a channel for arranging cords built into the top of the table and the back of the storage shelf, so you can run your charging cords neatly behind the unit where you won't have to see the wires. Number 6. Elephant in a Box. Meet the Elephant in a Box, the strongest and foldable sofa that assembles instantly to save space on your home. This sofa seating area is made of super comfortable, high-quality soft foam so that you can sit on the sofa comfortably for as long as you want. Its body is made of durable yet lightweight material that can hold up to 400 times its weight so that everyone can sit on the sofa easily. The sofa's unique design allows you to fold it so if you are someone who frequently changes their home, and you can just pack it in a box and you can carry it along without requiring any help. The sofa comes with a unique blend of exquisite high-end materials that makes the sofa durable and pleasantly soft, as well as easy to clean. Number 5. SoFi. Meet SoFi, the most elegant and luxurious folding furniture that saves space and is easy to set up. Featuring a unique ergonomic design, SoFi is your solution to enjoy those beautiful summer days at home and outside whenever you want. SoFi is built with high-quality, durable material that is weather-resistant, UV and fat protected, which ensures that you can take it out with you on anywhere without worrying about damaging it. SoFi features a removable side pocket so you can keep your valuables safe when you're outside, or attach it indoors as handy storage for books, phones, glasses and remotes. With the SoFi Folding Lounger, you can finally have a modern, space-saving and stress-free solution to that old furniture problem. SoFi going through his crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter right now. Number 4. Multifunctional coffee table. Having a coffee table that can be used to do your regular works can remove the need of having a regular table for work, which in result will save space in our home. Meet the Matrino from Oslo, Talia, a multifunctional convertible coffee table to save space in our home. It has a rectangular wooden top and middle structure made of graphite that gives this amazing table an elegant look at the sturdy structure. This amazing coffee table comes with the storage space inside where you can store your laptop or other work-related accessories. Inside this will surely save some space in your home. If you're a person who works at home and you can go for this amazing multifunctional table, which will let you do your work and save some space, you can own this table at around $805 online. Number 3. Compatible Floating Wall Bed. Introducing the Compatible shelf wall bed with over-sectional sofa. It is the ultimate space-saving furniture for your home. Compatible is a beautiful complete space-saving sleep system that includes LED lighting, a mattress, cushion headrests and a full back panel. The large comfy sectional sofa in this wall bed is equipped with high-quality removable fabric that will give you a comfortable seating experience. The float shelf can hold decorate items and tends to break up the solid-looking face on the wall bed, while also making for a useful handle to pull down the bed. The bed is also very comfortable and uses the same high-quality fabric as the sofa. Compared to as a comfortable solution for your space-saving problems, and you should go for it to save some space in your home. This space-saving furniture is available online at around $9,000. Number 2. Bed Chill. During something other than sleeping while lying on your bed needs more focus from you. Introducing the Bed Chill Overbed Table. A table that will let you take your bed to the next level by letting you eat, use your laptop, watch work, play, read, listen to your music while you are on your bed. Number 1. Thread Robe. Imagine you never had to fold, hang, or put away your laundry ever again. Wouldn't it be fun and easy, right? Meet the Thread Robe, your automated clothes manager. The wardrobe uses simple automation to separate and hang each item inside a storage area. Its specially designed hangers safely grip the clothing, place them in cradles inside until you need them. It comes with a smartphone app that you can use to get clothes when needed. You can select which clothes to wear and dispense them whenever you select a cloth to dispense. This wardrobe provides a wrinkle-free steam clothes within your desired temperature for a fresh wear experience. So that was all about the top 10 space-saving furniture. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.